Hey, it's Tracy with a Y. I'm back. I've been gone forever, or at least it feels like it. Had a very busy summer and camping season. Anyways, real quick here, I'm going to voice over. I cleaned our back patio. This wood needs to be power washed and new stain, but I just kind of gave it a kiss and a promise to get it ready for my upcoming birthday party. I just wanted it to have like a fresh little clean feeling to it, or look nicer anyways. So I took all the patio furniture off. These are the products I used: a broom, leaf blower, Mrs. Meyer's microfiber rag, and my garden sprayer with 12.5% chlorine pole shock and half water. I mixed those, and then I filled it twice. So you basically spray it on. If the spots are really bad, you have to do 2 applications, but I normally just spray it on, let it set for about 10-15 minutes, and then do a quick hose off. I don't always hose it off, but this time I did. So here I am pulling the patio furniture off. It was an extremely windy day, and here in about a second you're going to see my phone fall, which I didn't even realize it fell until probably 5 minutes later. So I lose some footage. I took all the furniture off. I have a leaf blower blowing off any dirt and debris. I'm going to broom down the cobwebs. So, leaf blow, and timber, we're down. So, after that, here I am removing all the cushions. I bought new cushion covers from Amazon. I take all of those off, leaf blow it off, get all the dust and dirt off, or as much as I can. And then I take my Mrs. Meyer spray and spray everything real good. And then I get the garden hose out and spray it all off. That way the sun can be drying it as I do the decking part. So I blow everything off. And this furniture really just gets dusty. It really wasn't too bad. So in my garden sprayer, I got it at Amazon. Like I said, I mix half water, half 12.5% chlorine chalk in it. I had to fill it twice. So I think I was having a hard time getting it spraying right. But it was windy, so when I would spray a certain way, it would just blow all right back on my face. I smelled like chlorine when I finished. And I'm not sure if you can tell. I know you can tell at the end, and you can tell now when you look at it, but those posts were almost black. These had to have 2 applications. But you can see up there in that rafter just a second ago that where I got some of it, not all of it, it like splatters, basically bleaches it. I've never had the pole shock hurt my grass or anything. It does a really good job with minimal effort, next to no scrubbing. I'm thinking about asking for a power washer for my birthday. Even though I love watching people power wash, I'm not very good at power washing. But it is super satisfying to watch, for sure. So the wind's just beating the crap out of me. And the ladybugs were really bad this day too. We get ladybugs real bad in November and October. So see, I'm trying to work against the wind, with the wind, so it's blowing all over me. I tried not to get none on the sauna. Tried my hardest. Kind of went around it. I mean, it was impossible not to get some on it, but this solution does a really good job. And like I said, you don't hardly have to scrub it all. Just spray it on, let it set, and hose it off. Some of the posts were almost black, and those I had to treat twice. This video is sped up all the way. It probably took me 2 hours total with everything. Putting the new cushion covers on, hosing, spraying. I had to go refill my cleaner. But I was really satisfied with the way it turned out. It looks nice. I probably need to do this twice a year. But in the spring, the weather wasn't good, so I wasn't able to get out there and do it. The weather was better after June, but then I was in full pool season, so I didn't have any time or energy to do something like this. I'd say most things probably got 2 coats, maybe. Maybe not. But if you had a power washer, it would help too. But that's a lot of work. And I'm not a good power washer either. And I forgot to take before photos. I took a video before, but not photos. So it's kind of hard to see, but I promise you, it looks 100 times better. I did go get a ladder too, but I don't think I recorded that. On the ladder, I did all the high beam like rafter things. So, but I didn't record all of it. I'm trying to get back in the swing of editing and videoing and doing all the things. Okay, here's where I spray the spray. I thought I did that first. I think I sprayed this second. And I went and got my refill of pool shock and water. And that gave these things a while to dry off while I finished everything else. So I'm just dousing everything real good. I hosed it off, and then I took the microfiber rag and wiped any dirt and dust off. This furniture is from Sam's Club. We probably have had it for, I don't know, 5 years maybe, 4 or 5 years. It's held up pretty well. I love all things Sam's Club. Clothing, food, furniture, outdoor lighting. They have it all. Okay, I don't remember if I recorded me wiping them off or not. I can't remember. But I did take that microfiber rag and wipe everything off. Here I am putting the cushions on that I got from Amazon. They're in a dark charcoal gray. Almost look blue. I really like them. I had teal last time. I didn't really like the teal. Although it was bright and summery. I feel like this took forever. The pillows definitely took forever. My fingers hurt when I was finished. It's like you needed 2 people. One person to push the pillow down and one to zip it. But I'm by myself. Okay, these were some of the ending photos, or shortly after because the deck was still wet. But I thought it turned out really nice. And then I took more photos of it the next day, which might be these ones. See how the posts aren't black anymore? They're actually light wood color. Very nice. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can message me below. Thank you. Bye.